Alright, so a lot of people have trouble aligning one of these, getting it nice and centered. What happens is they get hop, and it's all over the place, and doesn't work out too well. So I'm going to show you how to align one of these perfectly center. So when you go to put on this and all your bolts, you'll have it ready to go. You're going to make sure you put this on first, and then you want to put this on over this, and make sure the beveled side is sticking outward. Alright, next what you're going to want to do is take a Coke can, cut the two ends off. Get something like this, put it down with a nice straight edge. Use an X-Acto knife, and you're going to cut some strips. Okay, once you get your strips cut, you're ready for the next part. Alright, so to give you a hint what we're doing here, we're going to keep layering these until the gear has no more play, and we're going to make a shim. One thing you want to note when you're doing this, you want to put it from the inside and work your way around, not on the outside, because what happens is these spring open and they leave a gap towards the inside. So I got probably one more to go here. There's 3, and one more should do it. Alright, so after 4 slices, I have no more play between the hub and the sprocket. So now you can put your bolts through, you can cut your other washer, stick it on the back side, and go to town. But now you're perfectly centered and there won't be any hop. That is perfect.